All right, so the DIY was only 4 terms. So again, you're simply doing 2 times 1, because 1 is where we're starting, plus 3. And the key is that notation tells you to add them up every time. So then the next one is 2 times 2 plus 3. Add it. 2 plus 3 plus 3, or 2 times 3 plus 3. And you add that last one, and then the final term, I hit the 4. So once you hit that top number, right, you hit the top number, you stop your summation, so you just have to finish it. So then you should get a 5 here, and 2 times 2 plus 3 would be 7, that would be 9, and that would be 11, and if you add them up, you get 32 for a sum. We're doing the sum. All right. So example 4, if you look, that's an infinity at the top. So there's no way I could write out all of these things. There's no end point. So we start to talk about find the third partial sum. Could we find the actual sum? No, we can't find the actual sum because I can't add up infinite numbers of terms. So let's just see what happens when I do 3 of them. So what's 3 over 10 to the first plus 3 over 10 squared plus 3 over 10 cubed. So this is 0.3, this is 0.03, and this is 0.003. Again, if you went to your calculator and you did 3 divided by 1,000, that's all we're doing, you end up getting these 3 numbers. So now, if I go and add them up, I get 0.333 repeating. Well, this thing must be approaching 1/3. So if I just keep going, it's just more repeating decimals. So I don't actually know that it is exactly 1/3, but it's getting close to it. We can approximate it. All right, so now that's just a partial sum. Now we're going to do our own sigma notation. So when I look at this one, I'm going to do a sigma notation. And I want to figure out what does the pattern look like underneath. And so basically it looks like 1/3 times 1, 1/3 times 2 on the bottom, 1 over 3 times 3. So it looks like I could do 1 over 3n, as long as I had n go from 1. Now notice, they skip a bunch of them and go to 9. So this is from 1 to 9. So they show me the first 3, skip a bunch of them, and finish with 9. So I go 1 to 9, 1 over 3 to the n will work. It doesn't say that I have to find the sum, we just are going to write it. So those are the last 2 examples. You've done the video, now you can go work on web work and complete the Moodle quiz. There are a couple more questions to do.